Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a refrigerator compartment side liner LED light in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need 2 thin putty knives. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Insert the 2 thin putty knives behind the frame of the LED light you're replacing to depress the tabs to release the light from the liner. Once released, disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old component. To install the new LED light, first connect the wire connector. Then align and snap the light into place on the side liner. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.